Cool, cool. Here we go. Here we go. Pump it up. Yeah, baby. Let's get going. Holiday sales. If you're a Shopify e-commerce store, you're probably wondering, how the hell can I make some more money this holiday season? If you're running an e-commerce business, today I'm going to tell you a couple different ways that you can sell seasonal products through your Shopify e-commerce store. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mark Milliton. I run Breadloaf, Retention Labs, and Brand Marketer. We work with direct consumer brands of all different sizes to help them grow and scale their online e-commerce businesses. And in today's video, we're going to talk about holiday sales and selling seasonal products. So when we talk about selling seasonal products, there's a couple different ways you can sell seasonal products. The first one is making something cool for the holidays. People are always buying different things for the holidays, whether it's seasonal goods, Christmas sweaters, chocolates, gift bags. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually create and sell seasonal products. And the reason I want to talk about seasonal products today is it's a great opportunity to make something special during the other 10 months of the year, right? We are spending a lot of money and time and energy to acquire customers. And if you're running an online store, the main objective for any online store, any e-commerce store, is to resell to the existing customers, right? As we go into the holiday season, this is the perfect opportunity to design and create things that people are going to buy for the holidays, right? People are buying gifts. They're going to holiday parties. They're decorating their homes. There is a multi-billion-dollar industry happening right now in every single niche. It doesn't matter if you sell dog toys to if you sell chocolates, you can make a seasonal product that's either giftable or something that someone can use to help celebrate the holidays. So the first type of seasonal product we're going to talk about is making something that someone's going to be able to wear during this holiday season. So what I'm actually wearing right now is my favorite holiday shirt from one of my clients, Kenny Flowers. Kenny Flowers has been a client of ours at Breadloaf for a few years now, and they design men's and women's resort wear. When you think about resort wear, you think about swimwear, you think about fun, vibrant, cool patterned shirts, you think about sundresses. And a few years back, Kenny Flowers started making their first seasonal products, which were men's button-down shirts. So this is their staple shirt. It's been one of their hero products for years. You can see it's got a unique design. It's got all the same elements of a KF shirt. The only thing that they're doing differently is making a unique print on the shirt. So you can see here on this cool shirt I have a flamingo wearing a Santa hat on a surfboard. And if you think, why would someone buy something like this? Well, like I said a minute ago, people are going to holiday parties, right? They're going to holiday dinners, they're going to Christmas parties. People are usually quite social during the holidays. And when you think of what is something that people have traditionally worn over the years to a holiday party, well, they've traditionally worn an ugly Christmas sweater, something that's been passed down for years that has some Christmas inspiration on that. KF essentially took the ugly Christmas sweater and applied it to their hero product, which I think is an incredibly tasteful way to produce cool seasonal products and also release something fun that's limited edition during this specific time of the year. So that's one way. Think about your hero products and how do you put a holiday spin on it? It doesn't matter if you sell dog toys to chocolates to footwear. You can make something fun that's limited edition just for the holiday season that people are going to wear during this time of year to enjoy and celebrate the holidays with the people they love. The second type of seasonal product that you can produce is going to be some type of accessory. Another great example of this is our client Plane Tags that we've worked with for years now. They make these luggage tags out of old aircraft. And what they've done traditionally in the past is taken the same fuselage that they use for their product and they made holiday ornaments with it. Super simple. They let people customize them. It's a really cool gift that allows people to celebrate and give something special to their loved ones during the holiday. Now, the third way is to make some type of gift box or gift kit. When we think about the holidays, people are gifting. And if you have any type of giftable product, make it into a memorable gifting experience. Maybe it's a kit. Maybe you sell seasonings. Maybe you sell chocolates. Maybe you sell dog toys, dog treats, whatever it is. Turn it into a giftable experience where someone can go to your site that's an existing customer and be like, this would be a really great thing that I could just buy as a gift for this person in my life. Then we go into little accessories, stocking stuffers, little things like that. I think we've all purchased seasonal products for different people in our lives during this time of year. We're gifting, we're sharing our love for other people, and it's one of the reasons why this is such a shopping season. I know we're already in the holiday season right now, but this is a good time to start thinking about what you could still do. Obviously, maybe you're not going to go as far as KF and design out unique, fun shirts. We're already getting close to the holidays, but who knows what your supply chain looks like. If you got time to crank something like this out, if you got time to create a unique accessory or put together a gift box, I would highly recommend it. This is the time of year. Get it in the calendar and get it launched and get it sold. I would also recommend too, you want to do this in November. You don't want to wait until December. We only have a 2-week holiday shopping window once we hit December 1st before things become quite tricky to get those products delivered in the mail through UPS, FedEx, and USPS. So we all know what happened over the last 2 years. We all know it's probably going to happen again. We're going to stress all of the delivery services. A lot of us too probably have only so many products and it's only so many orders that we can actually ship out during a specific period of time. It's quite common that these large carriers will give big e-commerce brands an allocation and say, once you go over this, we can't accept any more orders or they're going to change the price around it. So take what we've talked about today, see if you can apply it. I think this is a perfect opportunity to make something fun and exciting and memorable and limited edition for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're still looking for some help this holiday season with your e-commerce sales, if you don't have a Q4 action plan yet, I'm going to put a link in the bio to another training that I've done with my whole Q4 strategy. And if you're looking for some help and you want my agency to take a look under the hood of your e-commerce business and help you guys formulate a game plan for the holiday and start implementing, I'm going to put a link in my bio to how you actually schedule a free retention audit with our team at Retention Labs, which is our retention division. And so with that being said, I'm going to finish up this segment and I hope you guys have a great holiday season.